की फायरिंग करूँगा। तो चलें एक्सपीरियंस को देखते हैं कि पहली दफ़ा मैं गन फायर करूँगा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, गुड मॉर्निंग। इस वक्त मैं पहुंच चुका हूं 2 घंटे की ड्राइव लेकर साइगॉन सिटी से वियतनाम के एक बहुत ही मशहूर लैंडमार्क जगह, जो कि इनकी विक्ट्री जो वियतनाम अमेरिकन वॉर थी उसको रिप्रेजेंट करती है। ये है साइगॉन की मशहूर टनल्स, जिसको इस्तेमाल करते हुए वियतनाम ने जंग जीती थी अमेरिका के साथ। तो चलें इन टनल्स को चल के एक्सप्लोर करते हैं और देखते हैं कि किस तरह क्या स्ट्रैटेजी थी वियतनामी आर्मी की अमेरिकन से लड़ने के लिए और किस तरह से वो ये जंग जीते। थोड़ा सा बैकड्रॉप ऑफ वियतनाम अमेरिकन वॉर। तो जैसे ही सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर ख़त्म हुई तो उसके बाद दुनिया में 2 बड़ी फोर्सेस जो हैं वो सामने आई। एक थी आपकी अमेरिकन कैपिटलिज़म और दूसरी तरफ था कम्युनिज़म, जो कि मेनली रशिया और चाइना से आ रहा था। तो दुनिया को इन 2 ब्लॉक्स में डिवाइड हो गया। एक ब्लॉक जो था वो कम्युनिज़म की तरफ जा रहा था और एक ब्लॉक जो था वो डेमोक्रेसी की तरफ जा रहा था। तो दोनों फोर्सेस जो हैं आपस में कोल्ड वॉर की वजह से डिफरेंट जगहों पर जंग लड़ी। जिस तरह नॉर्थ कोरिया और साउथ कोरिया को भी डिवाइड हो गए। कोरिया दोनों, नॉर्थ कोरिया जो है वो कम्युनिज़म की तरफ चला गया, साउथ कोरिया जो है वो कैपिटलिज़म की तरफ चला गया और अमेरिका को फॉलो किया।
But the tunnel here with three level. It is about 2 meters to 50 meters. Yeah, you can imagine in the first level it is about 2 to 4 meters. They build the bunker, and the second level it is about 6 to 8 meters. The last level from 10 to 50 meters. When you go down deeper level, the tunnel is smaller. For example, in the first level you can stand, but the second level you must bend down. On the last level you must crawl. That's right. Yes. And the tunnel system here, I explained to you already, it's length more than 220 kilometers in wartime. And but it's separate. It cannot connect all together. For example, you drop the bomb, destroy this one, but another one is okay, no problem. Yeah. And with this bomb, when it hit to the tunnel system, it only destroy the first level. Yeah. The second level too deep, they cannot destroy it. And one of main reason the VC build the underground network here because the soil here very hard soil, like the concrete. Therefore, when you build a big bunker or the tunnel, it's very stable. It doesn't fall. Yeah, it doesn't fall down. Okay. And American Army call this land Iron Land. Yeah. So my family, I explained to you, during wartime, American Army dropped about 14 million tons of bomb in Vietnam. Yeah, all in Vietnam. Yeah, and many kind of bomb they dropped here still underground. Therefore, some place in the jungle of Vietnam, the government not allow you go inside because they not sure the landmine or something is still there. It's dangerous. Yeah, and some of bomb that is. After they broke here, there's BC can collect it and melting. After that, they make another weapon. They recycle. They use American bomb and make another weapon. Yeah, like grenade or landmine, for example, to resist American soldier. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, one of most important thing I want to explain to you here, that is many tourists misunderstand, even Vietnamese misunderstand. Who built this tunnel? They are the South Vietnamese. They live in the south, in this area, here in the south of Vietnam. Yeah? But they don't follow the South Vietnam government, they follow the North. You can imagine that? That is, they don't believe this government, Saigon government, is the real government, like puppet government. Background that is U.S. Army. Yeah. Therefore, they follow the North communists. Actually, the people in this area, they resist French colony before the U.S. Army come to Vietnam. Yeah. That is one of the biggest problem for U.S. Army because they didn't know who is the enemy. Yeah. For example, you come to many villages in the jungle here. You meet the local people like farmer, worker, for example. At the night time, they meet you, no weapon. They say, "Oh, hello, my friend." Okay, like that. But at the night time, they get the weapon shoot you. You don't know who is the enemy. Yeah, that's the reason why many wrong things happen. That is massacre. Massacre. Some of crazy American soldiers, when they are very confused who is the enemy, therefore they come to the village. They suspect all the people they are in the enemy. They kill all of them. Even they kill innocent people. Like children, old men, old lady, for example, they don't follow any side. Even that people, they don't follow any side, in the middle. They don't lean to this side or this side, okay? But you do the wrong thing. You kill innocent people, and then their member family will follow the law. Yeah, you imagine that? Yeah, that is why the wrong thing American army did in Vietnam a long time ago. Yeah, therefore they cannot win the war here. Yeah, you can defeat like one soldier, thousand soldier, million soldier, for example, but you cannot defeat one country because they connect together. Okay? Yes, you remember that. And my family, this bomb is normal bomb, but in the wartime they use many kind of bomb like luster bomb. Luster. Luster bomb is the bomb. Inside it contains a lot of iron bond. Iron. When it's explored, a lot of iron bond will come out like the bullet and kill many people around. And luster bomb, we have another bomb, napalm. Napalm. A fire bomb. Yeah, yeah. They burn the forest. Because we see they apply guerrilla warfare. You remember that? Okay, you can take care, look for some weapon, and then we go.
The war still continues, right?
Yeah.
The war still continues.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is the same reason for Vietnam War is still having another war? Can you name that war going on now? Same reason. Which is
Same reason.
same reason.
Russia.
Ukraine, yeah?
Ukraine. Yeah, yeah,
Right?
same, yeah.
Same reason, exactly
yeah.
same reason. It's
Yeah, that's
communist.
right.
So after
Every
100 years as well, we have not learned actually, right?
It's ongoing happen
Yeah.
in our history.
Yes. And एमिनेशन पड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पर जो कि वियतनाम वॉर में अमेरिका ने यहाँ पे गिराया था उनकी गन्स उनके जिनसे लड़े थे ग्रेनेड वगैरह वो सब कुछ यहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है देखिए ये इस्तेमाल करते थे ये लोग जंग का एक्चुअल 1970s से ये एमिनेशन जो है यहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है देखिए इस तरह का बॉम्ब जो है वो इस्तेमाल करते थे अमेरिकन कम्युनिस्ट वर्सेस कैपिटलिज्म वॉर है ये आज भी जारी है अगर आप देखें यूक्रेन में जो वॉर चल रही है ठीक है वो भी कैपिटलिस्ट वर्सेस कम्युनिस्ट है कम्युनिस्ट रशिया और कैपिटलिज्म यूरोप अमेरिका आज भी जंग लड़ रहे हैं तो ये एंट्री पॉइंट है जो टनल्स है उसका हम टनल्स के अंदर एंटर हो रहे हैं थैंक यू 90,000 डॉलर की ये टिकट है Thanks a lot. जी हम वियतनाम के जो वॉर टनल्स हैं वहाँ पे आ चुके हैं बिल्कुल जो विलेज है उस तरह का बनाया हुआ है बिल्कुल कॉपी की हुई है जब यहाँ पे एक्चुअल वॉर चल रही थी तो जंगल का माहौल किस तरह से होता था और जंग किस तरह से लड़ी जाती थी हम पहले एक मूवी देखेंगे जो कि हमें वियतनाम वॉर की हिस्ट्री बताएगी
Receiving guests and market gathering down under the ground. The Americans wanted to turn Ho Chi into a dead land, but Ho Chi will never die. Unable to live on the surface, they lived underground. With a small village under shady trees, Ho Chi has turned into a treacherous target for the Americans.
you can see B-52 bomb breaker. Yeah, this is original bomb hole from the wartime. You can see it's not too deep, only 2 or 3 meter deep. Therefore, I explained to you already, when the bomb hit to the tunnel system, it only destroyed the first one. When the VC hear the sound of helicopter, aircraft, or the bomber come here, they will go down deeper level, and it's safe there, and they escape another place. Okay, and actually a lot of bomb holes like this in this area. But after the Vietnam War, many local go to cover it to grow the tree. All the way you see a lot of rubber plantation, rubber tree. Yeah, all the way. Yes. So one more time, this is bomb hole, bomb breaker. And B-52 is the biggest bomber from US Army at that time. Yes. But it not start from Vietnam. They start from Utapao Airport in Thailand. Thailand. And then another place that is Guam Island in Pacific Ocean. Okay? You know Guam Island?
Yeah.
Yes. You remember Kim Jong-un, Kim Jong-il. They always want to use the missile attack that island because that is the American base there, famous in the Pacific Ocean, near to Tinian Island. Tinian Island, you know what is the most famous thing happened there?
No.
That is the place B-29 bomber start from there, and they drop atomic bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Second World War. Yeah, the most famous thing there. Okay, this is bomb hole, not swimming pool. Okay. When you walk around here, you see the soil, very hard soil. You see, yeah. Therefore, they build a bunker, the tunnel here. Actually, the U.S. Army don't know where the VC build the underground network in the jungle. Okay, yeah. It just drop around here. Okay. Giám chú hả? Giám chú. Giám chú hả? Okay, now you see how they go down the tunnel in wartime. This one we just try to go down and go up, that is. We cannot move inside. Inside we have tunnel, but very small, and some like collapse already. You see, before they go down in the wartime, they use the lift, a cover on the top. You cannot see the door anymore. Yeah. If you want to go down easier, you must raise up your hand, make your shoulder smaller. You see? Yes. Small tunnel. When you come another side, you will see.
I think I'll get stuck.
Okay. You sure, sir? No. Cannot.
Let me try.
Okay, it's good. Raise up your hand. Go down. Yes. Yes. That's good. Okay. Next. Yeah. Please, who wants to try, please? Oh, amazing, sir. I think you cannot try, but you can. Yeah. Okay, you try. It's one of the most popular things. They build it in the grassland, or in the jungle. Okay. In the jungle, they use the lift cover it like that one, the first one. Okay. In the grassland, they use the grass for camouflage. You cannot see this one. Okay. And this one just a sample. They not built here. Okay. One more time, I show you. You think this is no, it's not here. The trap. This is the trap. Yeah. You know, at that time, the VC they don't have enough weapon. Therefore, they build a lot of trap like this to resist American army. Yes. Actually, a lot of U.S. soldiers with the trouble with the trap in the jungle or in the grassland when they have operation in this area. And they use the bamboo tree to make the spy here. Okay? It's very popular wood in Vietnam, bamboo. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, bamboo spy. Bamboo. Yeah, bamboo wood. Yeah. I asked people from American I asked them what kind of wood did you make the trap in your country. They say, oh, yes, Hollywood. Not bamboo wood, Hollywood. Okay, and this trap you can use it many times because when you must to crawl when you move inside. Crawl. Cannot bend down or stand like this, okay? This is the fighting tunnel of my family, fighting tunnel. For example, they stand right here and they shoot from here, okay? This is shelter. And when American soldiers take them to the place, they can move inside this tunnel and escape over there. For example, escape over there. It connects to that one. But you don't think this one is stretched to that place? Because when you move inside, normally you must turn right or turn left, like zigzag way. Yeah, okay. Why they make it like that? Because when U.S. soldiers come here, normally they use the grenade. They threw inside this one. But when they threw inside, they can turn right, turn left, and it's safe for them. Another thing, it become the trap. Why it become the trap? Because if you use the grenade and you throw inside too strong, it will come back, kill yourself. Okay? You can imagine in the Second World War, Nazi Germany, they build some hole look like the ventilation, and then English soldier, U.S. soldier come there, they think the ventilation, they use the grenade, drop inside, but it come back to your feet. Yeah, that is true thing in the Second World War. Yeah, they build it look like the ventilation. Okay, and if U.S. soldiers stay here a long time, it's very dangerous. Do why? Why they stand here dangerous? They come out behind you. You imagine? You stand here, but they come out everywhere. You don't know where they come out. They shoot from your back. Okay? Behind you 10 meters. You remember, this is the jungle in the wartime. No rocks like this. This rock for you, for tourists, okay? Behind you 10 meters, you cannot see anything. And they camouflage with the lip and something around their body, okay? Even you see the fire there, you run to that place, you want to shoot them, they go down again. Go down, come out another place. Another one. Okay, they keep the weapon, keep supplier here. You know, at that time, the BC here, they don't have any weapon. They get the weapon from where? From the North Vietnam. The North Vietnamese army, okay, they come to Cambodia and Laos border inside the jungle. And then they send weapon for the people in this village who follow them, okay? But they cannot keep in their village. They must keep inside this tunnel, yeah, this bunker. And sometimes American soldiers discover this one and they can move down easier because bigger one. Yeah. And then the VC, they know that story. They build the fake one beside the real one, okay? When they choose the fake one, go inside. I explain to you. They build a trap there. Or even they bust a landmine or some of dangerous insects like centipede, spider, or scorpion, okay? And when one US soldier move the wrong one, the fake one, they come out. They not die there, but they get injured, yeah? And then he will talk that story for another soldier. And when another U.S. soldier meet the real one, they're very confused. This one is real or fake, they don't know. That is guerrilla warfare, yeah? To bury dead people, yeah? Okay.
Is that a grave?
It look like, yeah, I mean, maybe it look like something in the jungle. This is the ventilation system, ventilation. Yeah, you see some of hole around here, but some of like collapse already after many years, you know? Yeah, on the way we see a lot, but this one collapsed already. For example, small hole here. At that time, they use the bamboo. We have king bamboo here, it's big like this, okay? They put underground for the air hole. But anyway, this ventilation not enough, cannot supply enough oxygen for the VC if stay there a long time. Okay, that's the reason why I said to you they must come out after the battle. So my family, why they build? It looks like there's something in from jungle. Because when U.S. Army come here, the first thing they want to look for, that is ventilation. Yeah, to burn poison gas, or water inside the tunnel. Okay, but really difficult for them because thousands of real termite hill look like this one in the jungle. Yes, and one more time, my family, everything here covered by the lip, like this. Not like this in one side, okay? Yes. The important thing that the yeah. Not every, I mean, in uh, you know, this is medium tank from U.S. Army supply for the South Vietnam force at that time. And you see the bullets here, the bullet hole here, after fighting. Yeah, this one it hit to the landmine, delay mine. Yeah, right here. Yeah, delay mine destroy the caterpillar truck. Yeah, caterpillar or the wheel. Okay, and then the VC they fighting and destroy it. You know, I think you wonder why and wonder how the U.S. Army can send
यहाँ पर
tank to the jungle,
बुलेट
right?
बुलेट होल्स हैं यहाँ पे, ये देखें,
You know,
और ये लैंड माइन की वजह से डिस्ट्रॉय किया था.
very big bulldozer. Yeah, they make the rods for the tank move inside. Some bulldozer, very heavy one, 100 ton. One, yeah. And by the way, you know, normally the VC here, they don't have the anti-tank weapon. They don't have anti-tank weapon like bazooka, for example. But they use very simple weapon to destroy it. Do you know that one? Very popular one until now. Molotov cocktail. Molotov cocktail. That is the bottle with the petrol inside and they burn on the top. Okay, fire, like fire bomb. Okay.
They have to be very close
Yes, that's right, madam. Yes, they have to come close.
because
Well,
otherwise
but they don't care too much about from that time, madam. Do or die. Do or die. They don't care too much.
अंदर से जो तबाह हुआ है.
Care too much about us because when they die, they become heroes. Yeah, with you know spirits of the BC and spirit of yeah. Two men disappear. Of trap. They use it to resist American army also, like the first one I show you. But this one, you see, it made by about iron spy here, made by iron. This is the sticking trap. When you step down in the middle, the spy inside will come out and hit to your left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, both sides for direction. Okay, you raise up your hand, and the spy will stop to your armpit and hand you there. Okay, keep continue, my family. Continue. This one is rolling trap, rolling. Yeah, when you fall down, it will roll you both sides. And the last song you can sing in your life, rolling in the deep. Okay, rolling trap. Window trap. You step down, it will hit both sides. Many trap here is same walk. Yeah, like this, you step down in middle, it stop you another side. Okay, folding chair also look like crocodile mouth, crocodile. Yeah, okay. This one fish big job here. When you step on the top, it slide down and hit to the iron at the bottom. Iron spike at the bottom, you see? Yeah. And that one, seesaw job, seesaw. When you fall down one side, it will hit on your back. Okay. Another one here. A lot of U.S. soldiers meet trouble with shop when they open the door to look for the VC, stay in local people's house, for example. And they hand room here. And it fall down, hit to their body. Some of American soldiers, very quick, they use the rifle, M16 rifle, hit this one.
Down.
They think okay?
No, from the
But
down.
no, this one, keep still moving. And many of them come to Thailand, travel to Thailand, to change their sexual, become lady boy. Okay. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. You see, they use the hand saw cut this bone because some of bone they drop here is unexplorable, and then they collect it and cut get the gunpowder inside, gunpowder, and make another weapon like a landmine, for example, or ammunition. But this work is very dangerous because when you cut it, sometimes it's accident happen. Okay. That is why they keep water from here. It makes it cooler. Okay. Anyway, I call this man the kamikaze man. Kamikaze. And behind you, another man make the bamboo spike for the first trap I show you, bobby trap. Another man behind over there, let's make. They make the foam for the landmine. And it's still alive.
What is he doing?
You know, when they get the gunpowder here, they put under this one, and they keep it thicker. Thicker means gunpowder. Gunpowder. Make it thicker and burst inside the landmine. It's more power. Okay? Yeah. Okay, this is some of landmine and grenade. They recycle from American bomb here. You all know we have many kind of landmine. The big landmine they use resist the tank or artillery. Some of landmine just for like soldier. For example, if you step on the big landmine like this, no problem, because it needs your weight is about 100 kilo. 100 kilo. Because if a big one only kill one soldier, no is nothing. They destroy the big tank, it's okay. Yeah. And you remember, you don't believe Hollywood movie. Okay? When you see watch the Hollywood movie, you stand on landmine. Okay, stand here, no problem. No way. In the wartime, you stand on the landmine, boom, immediately. Cannot stand like this. Okay? Say goodbye your life. Okay? Yes, remember that. When you step on the landmine, it will blast immediately.
तो टनल्स में सिर्फ टनल का विज़िट नहीं करा रहे, बल्कि आपको जो है फायरिंग प्रैक्टिस भी यहाँ पे करा रहे हैं। मैंने भी टिकट ख़रीदी है और मैं भी अभी AK-47 की फायरिंग करूँगा। तो चलें एक्सपीरियंस को देखते हैं कि पहली दफ़ा मैं गन फायर करूँगा। कितनी सारी गोलियां पड़ी हुई हैं। अभी देखो गोलियों से भरी हुई है ये जगह। Do you mind taking a video for me? Thanks a lot.
I think there's a queue back there.
You know, the last time I went into a tunnel was made 6,000 years ago. That was in the pyramid.
Yeah. Okay, follow him. Yeah. How if? Okay.
हम टनल के अंदर जा रहे हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द टनल देखिए यहाँ पे इन्होंने लकड़ी से इसको पक्का किया हुआ है. नीचे बहुत नीचे आ गए हैं यार. चला नहीं जा रहा था इतना. ओह माय गॉड. जमीन के अंदर आ गया जी 20 मिनट. या Okay, perfect. The exit, Ashi.
Okay, excellent. Oh, careful. You okay, sir?
Yeah. I told you I went to a tunnel which was 6,000 years old. The pyramid in Egypt.
Really?
Yeah. So that's even smaller.